All right, a little tip today when you are renovating residential single-family homes, and that is to always look for opportunities to add a bedroom or add a bathroom. It increases the value of the house. It allows you to rent it for more. And let me give you an example. Let me show you something Ricky's working on right now. This particular house had a cavity in it that was accessed from the outside. And this used to be a solid wall, but now there's a doorway. And you see this little area was accessed from the outside. It was a storage area. The hot water heater was down there. Well, that door is going to be bricked in, closed up. And now that cavity is going to be accessed from inside the house, and it's going to be a half bathroom. So instead of having one full bath at this house, we'll have a bath and a half. We'll be able to rent it for more. The value will go up. It'll be a good investment. So keep that in mind as you're looking for investment properties. Are there value add opportunities like this? And nothing really adds value like adding a bedroom or a bath.